Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making cornbread. I already made the classic cornbread video, but today I'm adding a little twist to it, so I wanted to show you guys this one also. I'm starting with flour, 4 cups, and by the way, this is going to double the other video, the recipe in that other video. So like I said, 4 cups in here, 1 cup of cornmeal, baking powder 2 tablespoons, some salt 2 teaspoons, and I'll be adding nutmeg and flavor. I'll be adding butter also melted. I'll be melting this in a little bit. 4 eggs, and this is the twist. I'll be adding some cheese. This is 2 cups of cheddar cheese with some basil and thyme. So let's get started. So another thing that's going to be different about this recipe also is that I'm going to be melting my sugar in here instead of whisking it like I did in the other video. With this one, it's a lot easier for those who don't have a stand mixer and who don't want to have to worry about buying it, or even who don't have a hand mixer. Makes it a lot easier, so you don't have to keep whipping. You just melt the sugar. I have 2 cups of sugar with 2 cups of milk. Have your heat on low because you don't want to cook the milk. You just want to heat it up until the sugar melts. Once it melts, you want to set it to the side to cool down before you add it to the rest of the stuff. So I just added the cornmeal and flour together. I got the baking powder going in, and basically just adding all the dry ingredients together. Salt, ½ teaspoon of nutmeg, that's it for all the dry ingredients. So I have my 4 eggs in here. Just whisk the sugar and milk mixture. It's not as hot as I expected it to be, so I'm just gonna pour it in. It's actually lukewarm, so it shouldn't cook the eggs. Now let's add the dry ingredients. So there goes the cornbread. Came out looking golden brown. My tester is coming out clean.